So, you're intrigued by Xero, this cloud-based accounting software everyone's raving about. But here's the thing, you're not exactly running a Fortune 500 company. Maybe you're a freelancer, a side hustler, or maybe you're just curious about how businesses manage their finances. Can you actually use Xero if you don't have a full-blown business? Now, Xero is designed with businesses in mind, no doubt about it. It's packed with features like invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, and inventory management, all crucial for companies of all sizes. But does that mean it's completely off-limits to those of us who are still figuring things out? Absolutely not. The short answer: yes, you can absolutely use Xero even if you're not a fully fledged business. The long answer: let's break down why. Xero is surprisingly flexible. While built for businesses, Xero offers a surprising level of customization. You can tailor it to your specific needs, whether you're a single contractor, a small team, or even just someone who wants to get a better grip on their personal finances. The free trial is your friend. Xero offers a free 30-day trial. This is your golden opportunity to explore the platform, test its features, and see if it's a good fit for your needs. No credit card required, so you can cancel anytime without any commitment. Basic features are surprisingly powerful. Even without a full-blown business, you can leverage some of Xero's core features. Invoicing. Create professional-looking invoices in minutes. Track sent, received, and outstanding invoices with ease. Expense tracking. Categorize and track your business expenses effortlessly. Snap photos of receipts and upload them directly to Xero. Bank reconciliation. Connect your bank accounts to Xero for automatic reconciliation. This helps you stay on top of your cash flow and identify any discrepancies. Reporting. Generate basic reports like profit and loss statements and balance sheets. Even if you're not required to file taxes, these reports can provide valuable insights into your financial health. How to use Xero without a traditional business. Freelancers and contractors. Xero is a game changer for freelancers. Issue professional invoices. Create custom invoices with your logo and branding. Track time spent on projects. Xero integrates with time tracking tools, helping you accurately bill clients. Manage expenses related to your freelance work. Track travel costs, equipment purchases, and other business-related expenses. Get paid faster. Xero supports online payments, making it easier for clients to pay you quickly. Side hustlers. Whether you're selling crafts online, driving for a rideshare service, or running a small online store, Xero can help you. Track income from multiple sources. Easily record income from different platforms and side gigs. Manage your expenses related to each side hustle. Keep track of costs associated with inventory, marketing, and other expenses. Analyze the profitability of each side hustle. Determine which ventures are most successful and where you can improve. Personal finance management. While not its primary function, Xero can be surprisingly helpful for personal finance. Budgeting. Track your income and expenses to create a budget and stick to it. Saving goals. Set financial goals and track your progress towards achieving them. Expense categorization. Categorize personal expenses to understand where your money is going. Improved financial awareness. Gain a better understanding of your overall financial situation. Important considerations. Pricing. While the free trial is great, Xero does have subscription plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. Learning curve. Xero has a learning curve, but it's relatively user-friendly and offers excellent online resources and support. Explore alternatives. Xero is just one option. Explore other accounting software like QuickBooks Self-Employed or FreshBooks to see what best fits your specific needs and budget. Xero, while designed for businesses, can be a valuable tool even if you're not running a traditional company. Its flexibility, free trial, and user-friendly interface make it an attractive option for freelancers, side hustlers, and even those looking to improve their personal finance management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.